Good morning to one and all. My name is M. Shishudha Reddy. I am studying 9th class B section at Jetway High School, Veeravalli. Today I would like to say a few words about Mahashivratri. It's a pleasure to be stand before you. My favorite festival name is Mahashivratri. The great night festival of Shiva is a Hindu festival celebrated annually in honor of the deity Shiva between February and March months. According to the Hindu calendar, the festival is observed on the 14th day of the dark of the lunar month of Palguna or Magha. It is notable festival in Hinduism, making a remembrance of overcoming darkness and ignorance in the life and the world. It is observed remembering Shiva and chanting prayers, fasting, meditating on ethics and virtues such as honesty, non-injury to the others, charity, forgiveness and the discovery of Shiva. Other visit one of the Shiva temples or pilgrimage to the Jyotirlingas. Ardent devotees stay awake throughout this night. Thank you one and all for giving this golden opportunity.